atambuka imbere y'akanama nkemurampaka ari nako abagezaho umushinga we nimero 42 Umuratwa Anitha.
Thank you. By names of Umuratwa Anitha. My project is all about helping the youth turning their talents and passion into business profitability for social and economic development. I also have ambition of seeing Rwanda hosting Olympic competitions, which has never been done with any other African country. 53% is the youth, and they are full of talents and passion, but they have no way of bringing them out due to lack of financial support, such as writing books, poetry, and etc. There's also a very big gap in some games and sports. We only do it for fun, yet we are capable of performing them and making money out of them. Once I'm crowned Miss Rwanda, I'm going to be organizing different competitions in different sectors, villages, schools, that are going to help them improve and make money. As a result, this is going to solve unemployment. This will not only improve their health, but also a number of those who use drugs and alcohol is going to reduce, since they're occupied and have what to do. Since they're occupied and have what to do, I also believe that a number of those unexpected pregnancies is going to reduce. I will not do this alone. I intend to join hand in hand with different ministries of sports, culture, youth, and Olympic Committee. Thank you so much, dear judges.
Arakoze cyane Umuratwa Anitha yambaye nimero 42 Miss Rwanda 2020.